Hello members. So we have seen a very good decline in Nifty, Bank Nifty, from for the last week. Now, what could be the potential move of the market? And what are the importance levels which we are watching out? So we use a technique of Gann, which is called as a Gann monthly trend chain levels, which is basically the average of first 9 days of the month, and it generally gives us a good level to trade. This is basically helpful, very much helpful during for your swing trading. Now, this line which you are seeing here, right? This is your Gann monthly trend chain level for uh, December month. As you can see here, as soon as Nifty broke this level, from there was no looking back. And we have annual trend chain level, which is the average of the September month. So, in this video, we'll be discussing only on the monthly trend chain level. Now, this level gives you a very good. I mean, if the markets are trending or markets want to make a move or trending move, this level gives us like this is the annual trend chain level. How beautifully Bank Nifty was not able to breach these levels, and every time we got a decent fall. Similarly, if I go for Nifty. Nifty, I mean, it's trading way below its annual tension level, and monthly tension level was broken here. It got retested, and from there you can see a very decent decline in the market, right? So now these levels can be used for both indices and stock. So let's take some stocks like DLF. It gives whipsaws also, like here, it went up intraday whipsawed, and then we got a good decent fall in the market. Now it's up to us how far. I mean, you can use the Gann swing levels to take a trade. So let me quickly show you on, let's take example of Indigo only. I'll apply master levels and Gann monthly trend chain level. So these are your master levels. First, let me apply Gann monthly trend chain level. Like this is the monthly trend chain level for Indigo. I mean, you can see here it gave a good fall. About this, we saw a very good rally. So this can be used generally for swing trading. The main motive of this video is to give you the monthly trend chain level for the coming month, which is applicable from 10th of January till 9th of February. And we have budget and important events coming up. So, I wanted to share those levels with you for all the FnO stocks so you can very well use it. So, how to trade on these levels? Let me quickly take an example of, let's suppose, DLF. So DLF, this was your trend chain level. You wait for the EUD close below this level, and once it closes below this level, keep the high of the candle as your stop loss, and then you can trail your positions, right? And we generally use master levels also. So like see here. So our basically first target was this, and second target is somewhere here, right? The kind of fall which we are seeing today, I mean, these generally big rise and falls will generally stop once these levels are capitulated. Like let's take another example. Let's say PFC. Uh, PFC level was somewhere here. It gave you a trade on 17th December, and from there, just falling down, down, down. So you can trail it once it reaches here, you can trail your stop loss here, and you can trail your positions. So this is a very simple and effective way to capture the levels. Now let me quickly show you for one more example. We'll take for Nifty also. This can be applied on any stock indices of your choice. So Nifty, I mean, it gave you only trade on 17th December, and from there the markets are going down. Suppose you miss this trade, then there is no trade based on this particular strategy. So that is why the beauty of these levels, this is that these levels are known to you well in advance. Now let me quickly show you what are the important trend change levels for the coming from for the January month. So the level for like DLF is 805. For REC Limited is 506. So these are the important levels. Now price is close below it, so there is no trade as of now. But keep an eye on these levels because during the month you will definitely get these levels. I'll create a consolidated list for all the FnO stocks. I mean, which will come in our scanner here. So if I just go here, analysis, explore, so it will give you your monthly trend chain level, which will be here. So what are the stocks? I mean, like Jubilant Food monthly trend chain level is around um, 736. The current close is near, so these stocks are near to monthly trend chain levels, and there we can very well effectively go ahead and take a trade, right? So yeah, so I'll just share the sheet, and this indicator will also, I mean, show you the updated levels. I mean, this is a proprietary indicator, so it is available on paid basis. But if you don't know, I have tell you the calculations. I mean, you can very well go ahead and calculate for the stocks and what are the different FnO stocks. I'll share these levels with you in the chat, in the Google Sheet, in the video description. You can very well go ahead and use it. Thank you very much for watching. Stay disciplined.